Ever wondered why some online stores feel faster and more flexible? Magento 2 Headless PWA helps you build for speed and scalability. A headless PWA separates your front and back end, delivering lightning-fast pages, flexible design, and offline browsing. Your site adapts instantly across devices, keeping customers engaged with push notifications and cart reminders. Shoppers can easily switch devices without losing progress, leading to longer sessions and higher conversions. Customizable designs let you match your brand perfectly, resulting in less waiting and more shopping. With AI-driven personalization, real-time updates, and faster load times, you boost SEO, reduce cart abandonment, and scale effortlessly. Server-side rendering enhances search engine visibility, while Core Web Vitals ensure speed and stability. For a fast, future-proof Magento 2 store, Headless PWA creates an experience customer will remember and return for. If you found this video helpful, like it, share it with your fellow e-commerce enthusiasts, and subscribe for more insights.